Welcome back guys to this channel, Grow Your Aptitude. This is the second tutorial on combinations, and if you haven't watched my first tutorial where I've explained the basics of combinations, then there's a link to that tutorial in the description below. You can go and check those basics of combination and come back to this one. So let's get started by taking a question, and the question is, out of 10 students and 5 teachers, a committee consisting of 3 students and 2 teachers is formed. In how many ways can it be done if, here is a case 1, any teacher and student can be included. So case 1 says that there is no condition, we can select any teacher and student out of the total given students and teachers to form a committee of 3 students and 2 teachers. So let's see how this can be done. Here N1 is equal to 10. N1 represents the total number of students. That is why N1 is 10. And out of that, we have to select 3 students on the committee. So R1 becomes 3. Similarly, N2 becomes 5 because there are total 5 teachers, and R2 becomes 2. So by basic formula of combination, what we learned in the last tutorial, NCR would be N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. And when we apply these value of N and R in the formula of combination, we get NCR is equal to 10C3 into 5C2 is equal to 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to, when you solve it further, you get 10 into 9 into 7, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1, the whole into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 into 1. Now this 7 factorial in the numerator can be cancelled with the 7 factorial in the denominator, and this 3 factorial in the numerator can be cancelled with the 3 factorial in the denominator, and when you solve this whole part, you get answer as 1200 different ways. 1200 different combinations can be done. And now let's take a look at case 2. Case 2 says a particular student is included and a particular teacher is not included on the committee. So now we have total 10 students, and out of that a particular student is already included on the committee. So now we are left with total 9 students, and that is why N1 becomes 9. But as you can see, there are supposed to be 3 students on the committee, and out of that 3 students, 1 student is already selected on the committee according to the given condition, and for that reason R1 becomes 2, which means we have now to select 2 students out of the remaining 9 students on the committee, because 1 student is already selected. And as for teachers are concerned, a particular teacher is not included on the committee, which means that out of total 5 teachers, 1 teacher is excluded. It is not included, and that is why N2 becomes 4 and R2 is 2 because there are 2 teachers supposed to be on the committee. So R2 remains the same, that is 2. And now when you apply the formula of combination, you would get NCR is equal to 9C2 into 4C2, which when you solve further, you would get 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which when you solve further, you would get answer as 216 different ways or 216 different combinations. So that is all for today guys, and now is a time for a question for you guys to solve at home, and this is the question. So now you can post your answers on our website, that is www.growtude.wordpress.com. I have given the link to that website in the description below. You guys can go there and also ask me any doubts if you have. In the doubts section of our website, we have also added some more interesting questions to our website so that you can have a better understanding of the subject. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, as I have lots of videos coming just for you guys on how to solve aptitude problems. So stay tuned, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.